We'll demonstrate raised leaf stitch. This stitch needs 2 needles. Can see this is triangular shape. We come up at lower left corner here. Then find needle of same length size. Take this unthreaded needle. At lower middle position of triangle, take down and push upward. Then wrap thread to behind middle needle. Take down at lower right corner of triangle. Come up at left of middle needle. Note here, when coming up must be close to middle needle. Distance not too large. Again, wrap thread to behind middle needle. Then take threaded needle. We can divide it into 3 lines, called lines A, B, C. We thread needle from below line A. Note here only thread, not fabric. Cannot poke needle into fabric below. After threading, cover thread over line B. Then thread from below line C. Again, only thread, not fabric. Then continue returning needle. Thread back and forth. We thread needle from above line C. Just now, threaded from below line C. This time we must cross above line C. Thread below line B. Pull thread. Use needle to slightly pick it. Each time after threading, must pick with needle. Let it close to above. This way won't separate when stitched. We can see each threading alternates. For example here, threads from below line A. Here directly crosses above line B. Because previous stitch crossed from above, so this stitch needs to thread from below. Pick with needle. Let it form one up, one down, alternating pattern. Following this pattern thread. When threading, go slowly. Otherwise easy to thread wrong. We thread from below line A again. Cross line B. Thread from below line C again. Remember each time after threading must pick thread. Pick thread upward. Let them arrange tightly. This way can stitch leaf texture, forming suspended 3-dimensional leaf effect. If become more skilled later, can directly thread through in one stitch. If not very skilled, suggest threading stitch by stitch. First wrap this stitch, then return to wrap this stitch. Operate slowly, won't make mistakes. Keep wrapping to bottom, then take down here. First remove this fixed middle needle. Will form suspended 3-dimensional leaf shape. We can stitch one stitch above. Fix this leaf. Come up at top point of triangle. When coming up, can see small gap above leaf. Just can thread needle through. Take down close to outer outline. This way forms fixed 3-dimensional leaf shape. Very suitable for depicting some medium-sized leaves or some wing piece shapes. Can stitch very delicate effects. Let's see the overall finished effect.